come to school too. Beautiful Lagos, hey. Land of mercy, land of success. Okoro, come to Lagos. I go carry you past the I go this best before Lagos. See Okoro, come to Lagos.
Check.
I go carry you past the
Put another 1,000.
See, let me tell you, I have money.
Hey,
see, let me tell you, I have money. Hey, so tell me. I tell you, I tell you, I drop it.
Oh yeah, play me game.
How do you have sent it to come and pick inside my water?
No.
What happened? What do you want?
Open this up for me.
What do you want? Are you interested?
I get pepper soup.
We get pepper soup.
Are you? See, let me tell you. This what I'm playing. I've used it to build a house in this Lagos.
I go finish it today.
Play game for me. You see him? You see him? He has 2 houses in this place.
Go and play game for me. Play game for me.
He said he's interested. See, let me tell you. See, let me tell you. Well, let's start again. He said he want to.
Okay, you want to play?
See boys say hammer for Lagos.
Bring 2,000 first.
I don't like koala.
Bring 2,000.
It's not that when I win you will start running away.
No, see, let me tell you.
I don't.
Drop her first.
See, good. Oh yeah, sure. I go show you the best in my
Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to use your life for. I'm going to do marriage. You know,
Obu and Utu. This is your name. This is your name. Hey, Obutu. She who they share the word. Share the word to share it. Obu and Utu. Hey.
Listen carefully. 1972, as you carry bag now, so I carry they go Lagos. Now poly bag, 10 naira. Now they come back. If you reach Lagos now big place, so 419 full Lagos.
Papa, all this thing when you dey talk, boss go leave me. Oh.
He no go leave you. Once you reach Lagos, come on your eye for 3 things. You see woman, come on your eye. You see drink, come on your eye. You see gamble.
Papa, all this thing when you dey count. You know say I know they do the and I be sharp boy. I don't feel God Lagos, maybe one person called use my eye they see Ogba. Oh, Papa. Okay.
They go before motor go leave you. Bye bye yo.
Yes, so one love, two Baba Day, so SCHOOL2 comedy. Keep watching, man. That's all.
SCHOOL2.